How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your favorite little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering a warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2004 Pleasureway Excel TS with 92,701 miles.
Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2004 Pleasureway Excel TS. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We're going to do a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. You can also stay with us here in Sherwood, Ohio at Crystal Fountain Park. Popular floor plan here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Haven't had one of these in a little while. Got about 73.5 inches of headroom here in the main part of the camper van. Fantastic fan in the center. It's going to run off the coach battery system. It's going to act like an attic fan at night, bring the cool outside air in. Can also be an exhaust fan for the bathroom here. We're going to check that out in a little while. Air conditioner here in the back of the coach is going to run on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. It's going to blow out and be controlled with the knobs right on the unit itself. We have a mixture of hard surface and carpet flooring. Table mount in the rear. One up here in the front. Little storage rail up top. Put your sunglasses, your sunscreen, things you want to access quickly when you are coming in and out of the camper van. Levels test here. Don't always trust these. These are notoriously finicky, but you can test your water tanks and your coach battery system. Water pump on off. This will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. This is our generator start stop. This has 57 hours. Fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified owning technicians. Water heater on off. This runs on propane. This will ignite itself. Noxious gas detector. Got this rail here. You can pull the curtain all the way around for privacy while you're parked. This window does open, but it does not have a screen. Little storage spot in the door. Easy to access this coach. We're doing a step here. Fire extinguisher, handle to help you get up and in. Some of our light switches here, so you can turn that on as you're coming into the camper van. Storage overhead in the kitchen. Got a nice backsplash. Gonna keep things clean while you're cooking here on this 2-burner propane cooktop. Single basin sink. Window with a screen and a blind here in the kitchen. Little spice rack and paper towel holder. It's our water pump down there. It's a winterization kit. That clear hose can be used when you pump the RV antifreeze through the system. So we have a 3-way fridge freezer here. Freezer up top. Instructions in the bottom of the box. It's going to be operated through this control panel in the front. Recommend leaving that in the auto setting. It's going to do what it needs to do to stay cool, as long as you have the appropriate fuel. It's a 3-way, meaning it runs on the AC power, so the shore power plug-in or the generator. DC, meaning the coach battery system or propane gas. Got an AC plug here, going to be nice for plugging in your coffee pot or an air fryer here in the kitchen area. Furnace down there that burns propane. It's going to come out of this vent. Some electrical connections down here. Storage spot and more AC power down by the floor here in the back. Microwave runs on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. A couple of hooks here on the closet door. Hang your jackets. Put your boots down there at the bottom. Table top, table leg. This board here is going to make up the big bed in the back. We'll check that out here in just a little bit. Got this nice mirror here as we come into the bathroom. Got some more hooks on the door there. And on this side as well for your towels, things like that. Not much of a step up and into this bathroom. Everything's going to drain there into the floor. Easy to access the stool. Got a towel bar, curtain you can pull around to help contain the water. Got another mirror in here with a medicine cabinet. Works nice if you have 2 people that need the mirror. One can be outside, one can be in here. Got our shower head. AC plug in here is nice for plugging your curling iron, whatever you got here on the counter space while you're getting ready. Got our stink vent here. You can open this window here, get some fresh air when you're in the bathroom. Got some drawers. Great for your toiletries. More storage down below. Got a rail there along the toilet. You can put your soaps and things like that while you're showering. Thermostat's going to control the propane furnace. Got some spots on the bottom of that cabinet. TV antenna crank. You do not want to drive around with that TV antenna up. A couple little screw holes on the wall right there. Screen window on the lower portion on each side of the camper. Got some blinds you can drop down for privacy. Curtain in the back. Twin bed model here. So that's what the TS is, this power sofa. The TD, which is the alternative to this TS, is going to have 2 permanent twin sleepers. You can easily run this jackknife sofa up and down by pushing this button here. 2 seat belts back here, 2 up front, so a total of 4 belts in here. I'm going to drop some pictures now so you can see what this looks like made up and get some measurements.
The jackknife sofa in the upright position measures approximately 20 inches north-south or front to back in the RV and 81 inches east-west from wall to wall. The twin beds are a popular option that allows camper vanners to easily get out of bed without crawling over one another. The driver's side twin measures approximately 72 inches north-south or front to back and 26 inches east-west or side to side. The passenger side is just a little shorter at approximately 70 inches north-south. Use the board and the removable cushions to make up the big bed that measures approximately 66 to 72 inches north-south or front to back and 81 inches east-west from wall to wall. Additional storage along with the fuse panel and a noxious gas detector are located beneath the power jackknife sofa.
What is a cucumber's favorite instrument? A piccolo. Got some lights back here in the back. Easily turn on and off while you're back here in the bed area for nighttime reading. We have a DC 12-volt USB power station here. You can tuck your phone right there, plug it in, charge it. Nice little slot for that. And turn the TV on and off here with a switch next to the power sofa switch. You can swivel this out here to face the front. As you can see, the front passenger seat is swiveled here. Driver's seat also swivels, but because of the cabinet and the steering wheel, it's not going to get as good of a position, but you can use this seat as the best seat in the house. You can kind of create 2 zones here in the camper, have somebody up front here having coffee and somebody still sleeping in the back. DC power back here, so you can plug things in there if you have the TV out and get power directly from the coach battery system. Manuals. A little storage spot up here by the microwave. Nice specimen here. Popular floor plan at Kuhn Truck and RV. Pretty clean inside and out. I'm going to call this one an 8.5 out of 10. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, and CD player. Nice clean upholstery. No signs of smoking in the form of burns, stains, no tears or funny smells. Cigarette lighters unused. While it's tough to say for certain, I'm going to call this a non-smoker. We have a smaller circular table here behind the driver's seat. A little bit of discoloration spot here on the carpet. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2004 Pleasureway Excel TS. This RV measures 20 feet, 6 inches bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. We have 4 brand new tires. This Pleasureway is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 92,701 miles. Nice looking exterior on this one, lots of shine left. Easy to get up and into camper van. Back of the refrigerator, furnace exhaust. This is our coach battery. We have actual alloy rims on this one. Couple small chips on the stripes here and there, but overall, really nice condition. Nothing you're gonna notice when this RV is driving by. Nice storage compartment here with some accessories. 2 AC plug-ins so you can plug things in beneath the awning here. Air conditioner up top in the back. Tow package, nice for a bike rack if you're taking some e-bikes along with you. This is our coach battery disconnect. It's going to disconnect the coach batteries to prevent parasitic draw. Also going to disconnect the charging systems to those, which are the shore power plug-in, the generator, or the alternator while you drive. We have our awning crank and center rafter. Fill for the onboard fresh water tank. The water pump will pump the water out of there. Back of the water heater. Another storage compartment here. Sewer hose storage. Good looking pleasure way again here. Do have some of the chips here and there. Still really nice looking overall. Outside showers, nice for going to the beach. Wash the sand off. Little outside wash station, things like that. Great for pets. This is our sewer drain here. It's gonna come out of the same hole. You're gonna pull the black first and then the gray. TV in, city water in. Here's where our shore power is going to plug in. That's a 30 amp. Propane tank is mounted to the unit. We have a gauge here, turn that on and off. Generator, this is a newer, quieter generator here. This is an Onan 2800. This is a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. This is the generator exhaust. Popular floor plan here. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and the home of the RV brothers.